everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart and my stomach. We're talking about how to soothe your gut, reduce inflammation, and keep that pesky acid reflux at bay. It's all about feeling your best from the inside out, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll uncover the common culprits behind gut issues and discover the power of simple, delicious food. Get ready to learn how a little meal planning can make a world of difference. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools and recipes you need to nourish your body and feel amazing. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Let's talk about what's happening inside our bodies. Inflammation in the gut is like a little fire that can cause discomfort and disrupt digestion. Acid reflux, on the other hand, is that burning sensation we feel when stomach acid creeps back up. Common triggers for these issues can include processed foods, sugary drinks, and even stress. But don't worry, we have a secret weapon: anti-inflammatory foods. Think colorful fruits and veggies, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, and lean proteins. By incorporating these gut-friendly foods into our diet, we can help calm the fire and promote healing. Ready to take control of your health? Meal planning is your secret weapon. It's like having a roadmap for your meals, ensuring you make healthy choices throughout the week. Small, balanced meals are key when it comes to managing acid reflux and inflammation. Planning ahead helps you avoid those last-minute, unhealthy takeout options. Plus, it saves time and reduces stress. A win-win for your gut and your mind. So, grab a notebook, your favorite recipes, and let's create a delicious plan for the week ahead. Get ready for a week of delicious gut-friendly meals. This plan is designed to make your life easier and healthier, with a variety of meals that are both nutritious and satisfying. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, these recipes are sure to please everyone at the table. We'll start with a sample meal plan structure that you can customize to your liking. Feel free to swap out ingredients based on your preferences or dietary needs. The goal is to create a balanced and enjoyable eating experience throughout the week. Remember, breakfast is all about fueling your day, lunch keeps you going, and dinner is a time to relax and enjoy a nourishing meal. Each meal is crafted to provide the right balance of nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied. Let's dive into the specifics. For breakfast, we have a variety of options to kickstart your day with energy and nutrition. Breakfast. Day 1. Oatmeal with berries and nuts. This hearty meal is packed with fiber and antioxidants, perfect for a strong start. Day 2. Scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, a protein-rich option that will keep you full and focused. Day 3. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and fruit. This combination is not only delicious but also great for your gut health. Day 4. Smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. A quick and easy option that's perfect for busy mornings. Day 5. Whole wheat toast with avocado and tomato. Simple, yet packed with healthy fats and fiber. Day 6. Oatmeal with berries and nuts. A repeat of Day 1 because it's just that good. Day 7. Scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Ending the week with a protein-packed breakfast. Lunch. Day 1. Salad with grilled chicken and quinoa. A light yet filling option that's perfect for a midday meal. Day 2. Leftovers from dinner. A great way to reduce waste and save time. Day 3. Soup and salad. A classic combination that's both comforting and nutritious. Day 4. Turkey wrap with hummus and veggies. Easy to make and perfect for on the go. Day 5. Salad with grilled salmon and brown rice. A nutrient-dense meal that will keep you satisfied. Day 6. Leftovers from dinner. Another chance to enjoy your previous night's meal. Day 7. Soup and salad. Ending the week with a light and refreshing meal. Dinner. Day 1. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. A delicious and healthy way to end your day. Day 2. Chicken stir-fry with brown rice. A quick and flavorful option that's perfect for busy nights. Day 3. Lentil soup. A hearty and comforting meal that's packed with protein. Day 4. Turkey meatloaf with mashed sweet potatoes. A classic dish with a healthy twist. Day 5. Shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. A light and flavorful seafood option. Day 6. Leftovers from dinner, making the most of your previous meals. Day 7. Chicken and vegetable skewers. A fun and tasty way to end the week. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll share some simple and flavorful recipes for each meal. These recipes are designed to be easy to follow and use ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. We hope this meal plan inspires you to try new dishes and enjoy the process of cooking. Happy meal planning! Embrace the change tips for success. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about a few tips to make this journey a success. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Get moving. Incorporate gentle exercise into your routine. Be patient. It takes time for your gut to heal and adjust. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, you're on the right track. Kickstart your day breakfast recipes. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for your energy levels and mood throughout the day. Let's start our day with a boost of energy and gut-healthy goodness. A nutritious breakfast can help you stay focused and productive. These breakfast recipes are simple, delicious, and perfect for busy mornings. Whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a leisurely morning, these recipes have got you covered. First up, oatmeal with berries and nuts. This classic breakfast is not only quick to prepare but also packed with nutrients. Combine half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond milk, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. You can also use any milk of your choice, whether it's dairy or plant-based. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes or until cooked through. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Top with fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, and a drizzle of honey, if desired. This adds a touch of sweetness and a burst of flavor. Next, scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. This protein-packed breakfast is perfect for keeping you full and satisfied. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Olive oil adds a nice flavor and is a healthier option compared to butter. Whisk 2 eggs with a splash of water and a pinch of salt and pepper. The water helps to make the eggs fluffier. Add the eggs to the skillet and cook, stirring occasionally until set. Be careful not to overcook them. You want them to be soft and creamy. Stir in a handful of spinach and cook until wilted. Spinach adds a boost of vitamins and minerals. Serve immediately with sliced avocado. The creamy avocado pairs perfectly with the eggs and adds healthy fats to your meal. Stay tuned for lunch and dinner recipe ideas. Eating well throughout the day is key to maintaining your energy and health. Fueling your afternoon lunch recipes. Keep your energy levels high and your gut happy with these satisfying and flavorful lunch recipes. First, a salad with grilled chicken and quinoa. Grill or bake a chicken breast until cooked through. Let it cool slightly, then slice or shred. Cook half a cup of quinoa according to package directions. Combine mixed greens, quinoa, chicken, chopped vegetables such as cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers, and your favorite dressing. Next, a turkey wrap with hummus and veggies. Spread hummus on a whole wheat tortilla. Layer with sliced turkey breast, spinach, sliced cucumbers, and sprouts. Roll up tightly and enjoy. Get ready for some dinner inspiration in the next section. Deliciously satisfying dinners. End your day with these nourishing and flavorful dinner recipes that will please your taste buds and soothe your gut. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for your loved ones, these dishes are designed to be both delicious and nutritious, ensuring a satisfying end to your day. First, baked salmon with roasted vegetables. This dish is not only packed with omega-3 fatty acids, but also loaded with vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your salmon and vegetables cook evenly and develop a beautiful, roasted flavor. Toss chopped vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, and pepper. These vegetables not only add color to your plate, but also provide a range of nutrients and fiber. Place the vegetables on a baking sheet and roast for 20 to 25 minutes. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetables and gives them a delightful crunch. Place a salmon fillet on top of the vegetables, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. The salmon will absorb the flavors of the vegetables as it cooks, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. Bake for an additional 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. The fish should be flaky and tender, while the vegetables remain crisp and flavorful. Next, chicken stir-fry with brown rice. This quick and easy dish is perfect for busy weeknights and is packed with protein and vegetables. Cut boneless, skinless chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. This ensures that the chicken cooks quickly and evenly. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. The oil should be hot enough to sear the chicken, locking in its juices. Add the chicken and cook until browned on all sides. Browning the chicken adds depth of flavor and a pleasing texture. Add chopped vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and snap peas and cook until tender crisp. These vegetables add a vibrant color and a satisfying crunch to the dish. Stir in your favorite stir-fry sauce and serve over brown rice. The sauce ties all the ingredients together, creating a delicious and cohesive meal. Let's wrap things up in our final section. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and add your own twist to make these dinners truly your own. You've got this, your journey to wellness. Congratulations on taking this important step towards a healthier, happier you. By incorporating these meal planning strategies and delicious recipes into your routine, you're well on your way to reducing inflammation, preventing acid reflux, and improving your overall well-being. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and celebrate every victory along the way. And don't forget, there are countless resources available to support you, from recipe books to online communities. You've got this. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.